Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about April favorites, and if you're new to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first category, I have the favorite book that I'm currently reading. So this is the book that I'm currently enjoying a lot. So this is Good Vibes, Good Life by Vex King, and this is a self-help books, and it describes about the mental blockage or how you should react when you're not getting success for a very long time, or how your mindset should be when you're stuck in some job which is not being productive or you're not being good at it. So I think during this phase that we are in, you can definitely give this book a try, and if you want to read some self-help books to keep you motivated during the time, you can read this. Okay, so next up in category we have board games. As we know, the lockdown 2.0 is again on and we are all in our home. So this is the thing that I usually do. So I think most of you know what Uno is. For those of you who don't know what Uno is, it's a card games and you can play it with two players or more than two if you have somebody. Earlier when my friends used to visit my place, I used to play with my friends, but since there is a complete lockdown in the state that I stay and nobody is able to go anywhere and nobody should go anywhere, so I play with my parents, my mom and dad. So this is what I do to kill my time. Tell me in the comment section below what are the things that you do to pass your time and when you're bored, and how you like motivate yourself every day to wake up and work. So the next category that we have is skincare. Okay, in skincare I have a bunch of things. The first thing that I want to show you is this Ayush aloe vera gel, cooling face gel. So during summers I think aloe vera gel is really something which helps you to cool your skin and also protects you from burns and allergies. So how I use this aloe vera gel is that if I am shaving my face or my upper lips, so after or before shaving I will apply this, and also if I come out of the shower I will apply this over my face. So you can give this a try if you're looking for a good aloe vera gel. So this is by Ayush Liver. Okay, so the second category in skincare I have body wash. So there are two body wash that I would like to show you. The first one is by Plum in the flavor lychee cuddle, and the second one is Pierce coconut water. So these two are the very different variants. This is very mild coconutty flavor and this is more of a fruity lychee flavor, and this retails for 180 and this retails for 380. This will not last you for very long, so when you come out of your shower it will last you for 2 hours max, and the smell that you get is very mild. Unlike this lasts you for really long, for 6 to 7 hours, and it will really feel fresh for a very long time. But both of these flavors are very what I like, and it is something that suits me a lot. So these are the two favorites that I currently have. I have not used it much, but since the time I got it, only body showers that I've been using are these two. Okay, so the next in skin category I have is a scrubber by Lotus. So this is the Lotus White Glow Oat Milk and Yogurt Skin Scrub. So this scrub is very gentle on my skin. So previous to this I was using a Nivea scrubber which was very mild as well. So now I am using this because that was not available in the place that I live in, and all the online deliveries are closed over here. So I tried out this. The half tub is almost over, so this does not cause any breakouts and very mild to the skin. I apply a scrub twice a week, not more than that, because if you apply a scrub more than twice a week it will cause breakouts and it will give the dullness and also take off the moisturizer layer from your skin. So this is the scrubber that I have been really loving during this phase. Okay, so next up in the category we have TV shows. So my first TV shows that I really liked is Invincible. This is a superhero comic TV show which is available on Prime. And why I like the TV show, because apart from being a comic superhero, it has a lot of depth and it really shows the human emotions in the show, and you will really enjoy it while watching. And the IMDb rating is also 8, I think, and it is available on Prime, so you can give that a try if you are looking for some new shows. And the second show is The Person of Interest. That is a sci-fi movie. It deals with a supercomputer that has all the data of everybody in the country, and it can detect and show you what is the person's occupation, what is his age, what is he doing in life, or everything, like if a computer holds all the data. So yeah, you can give, if you like. It is also a crime thriller. If you like crime thrillers like these, you can definitely give that a watch. Okay, so the next in the category, we have some beverages or snacks. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is this tea by Tea Circle. So last month I went to Sikkim and I bought a bunch of teas from there, but this has to be my favorite. So this is by Tea Circle Blue Tea. So this is basically blue tea that you get, and the flavor is very mild, and you can have it with water and just infuse this tea and add a little bit of jaggery, and it will taste amazing. So if you're looking for some different kind of tea and something not milk tea or green tea, you can do check this out. So Tea Circle is available online. I will try and link in the description box below if you want to give this a try. And this retails for 200 rupees for 50 grams, and I think this is a good deal if you're looking for a tea that too in different variant. And the second snacks that I have is this sweet corn by Act 2. So this is like, you just have to cut it, put it in a pan and just heat it with some butter. You have the chaat masala inside, and this retails for 20 rupees, and this is so good. If you like corn, you can give this a try. And the last category of my favorite has to be a sanitizer. Like, sanitize your hands, guys. People are dying. The situation of India is getting worse day by day. I do not know how we will be able to cope up with it, but I really hope we do. And every day, by seeing Instagram or seeing the news, my heart breaks, like by the number of people that are dying every day. So please wear a mask, do not go out unless and until it is necessary. Keep a sanitizer with you, sanitize your hand every time you touch something. So that was it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please comment down below what is your favorite product that you have been loving in April. And also do subscribe if you're new to my channel. Do hit the like button.